All right, good morning. I'm getting ready to set out on a motorcycle trip. I don't have a particular place in mind. I'm going to go up north from Florida to the Tail of the Dragon and then back around. So we will see kind of what this holds. This is for me, something I've been thinking about for a long time. It's the biggest trip I've ever done or will have done. So I'm a little anxious. I think that's normal. But it's going to be a good time. So hopefully this all comes together and works out. I'm going to be riding on a 2012 Victory Cross Country motorcycle. So So I stopped at this weird little wonders of the world type place in Alabama, and it's a drive-through, and it's just wild. It's got some crazy stuff in these pods. I don't even know how to describe it to you, to be honest with you. It's just random weird stuff. But this place is cool. I mean, it's a cool stop. I gotta say, it's cool. Like, let's see here. Check this out. This is Revelations from the 1930s. It's just random. It's so weird. So weird. I would say if you're ever in this area and you got, 15 minutes, 20 minutes to burn, like, come check it out because it's just strange. All right, well, on with the road trip. It's been fun so far. I got a little wet, but not too bad. So we'll try to avoid any further rain. But yeah, it's been good. Once I left the drive-thru, I ended up making my way over to the Tuskegee Airmen National Museum. It was a pretty cool stop. Got to see some good history and really enjoyed it. Part of what was fun with this trip is that I really didn't set out on any major destination except for the Tail of the Dragon. So, these little barbecue spots that I kind of just stumbled upon on the side of the road that just looked interesting. And so I had to make stops and check them out. I did make a stop to meet a friend of mine on my way up through Georgia and have dinner and hang out there to take off for the next day to head on up to Tennessee.
This looks so cute and cuddly. I know.
You guys want to steal one? just for like a few seconds. Well, after staying with my friends and then putting up with me for a night, I made my way on up to the Blue Ridge train station, Blue Ridge Parkway, one of the main stops to get to that. Didn't go riding any trains or anything, but I saw some sights there and then headed on up to the Tail of the Dragon. And it was just the beginning of quite an adventure. Unfortunately, the rain did not hold off. To the Tail of the Dragon, and I mean this road, this highway, 129 I think it is. Beautiful, just beautiful. And then you're driving along this waterway the whole way, and it's awesome to see. Check that out. It's really cool. Wild waters, man. Only a few miles from the Tail of the Dragon, so getting close. Well, I finally made it up to Deals Gap and what I called the start of the Tail of the Dragon, although I guess maybe it's the end. It depends on which side you're coming from. But got up there, got to take some pictures. It was still raining, unfortunately, so I wasn't even sure if I was going to tackle it today or if I was going to wait. But more on the next episode when I get it put together. Hope you enjoyed it.